Hi everyone, I'm Rita Peterson with Everything Homemade, and today I'm going to show you how to take your tomato powder right here and turn it into tomato paste. And I want to say a big thank you to Grace. This is her very first time filming. She is 6, so she's really excited today. So I just want to say a big thank you to her. So what do you need to make tomato paste? You need 2 ingredients for a basic tomato paste. You need tomato powder and you need water. If you do not have tomato powder and you don't know how to make it, at the end of the video there will be 2 videos that I will post. One how to make tomato chips and the other one how to take those tomato chips and turn it into tomato powder. So let's begin. First of all, you need to scoop some of this tomato powder out into another container or bowl, something you can mix in. So I love doing tomato paste for pizzas. You can make this for any kind of, if you're making soup, you can make a tomato paste, or you can just add this directly into soup. Anytime you're making pizza pockets, basically anywhere you would use tomato paste. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just transferring in, and I'm just kind of breaking up a little bit of the lumps from my container. Okay, now watch the magic, you guys. This is pretty cool. So you don't ever want to add all your water first, because the tomato paste will soak up, or the tomato powder will soak up some water. So you just want to add a little bit at a time to get the right consistency. Take a look at the color. Look at that. It just goes really, really dark red. I'm going to add a little more water. And this is why I love using tomato powder. One, the flavor is just unbelievably strong. It's unmatched by just boiling down the tomatoes. Drying the tomatoes actually increases the flavor. And the color is so beautifully red. There's such rich color. And it's so easy to make tomato paste this way than letting your tomatoes boil down overnight and then canning them, and it's just a lot less work. So this is the consistency that I have. It's holding right on the spoon. That's a little bit too thick yet. I like it a little bit thinner than that, so I'm just going to add a little bit more water. Mix it in. And there you have it. Within minutes, you have turned your tomato powder into tomato paste. And this is a much better consistency. It just falls off the spoon. You see that? That's the difference. When I do that, it just falls off the spoon, and that's the consistency that I want. Now, the other thing that I add in for my basic tomato paste is just a little bit of salt. Tomatoes are high in salt anyway, but I find just a little dash of salt just finishes it off. If you're making this for pizza, you can add basil, dried oregano, garlic powder, onion powder. You can even add a little bit of chili pepper powder to spice it up, anything like that. But this is your base. So take a look. All done. Okay, guys, so if you have any comments, any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video.